What's up, guys? Welcome again to the Kluche Foundation YouTube channel. Today we come to you from the University of Twente, and we're highlighting the review on Twente University scholarships. So the University of Twente scholarships will be about a detailed dive into these different scholarships that you should look out for. And we're going to start right away. Don't forget to subscribe and follow us. And the institution is the University of Twente. So that's the name of the university, is the University of Twente in the Netherlands. Just this week, or it was just last week, we talked about some universities to look out for in the Netherlands. So we're getting a deep dive into the University of Twente. We did mention it in our review, but this is a deep dive into knowing more about the University of Twente and the different programs that they're offering that qualifies for sponsorship or scholarships. So the level of study in this program is a master's program. So if you're interested in a master's program in the Netherlands, the University of Twente is one way to go, one way to look at it. And they're all master's or graduate degree programs. So we're going to start to looking at all the programs that the University of Twente offers. The first one is applied mathematics. Applied mathematics is for also the graduate program. So anything you see so far will be a graduate program. Just going to list the different courses that qualify for the University of Twente scholarship. Applied physics is the next program that qualifies. If I can go back, applied mathematics is the first one. Applied physics is the second one. Next program is biomedical engineering and business administration. These are two different programs. I just put them together. So if you're interested in biomedical engineering, University of Twente is for you. If you're interested in business administration, that is an MBA. It has to be a master's program. University of Twente is a program for you. Business Information Technology is also one of the programs under the scholarship offered by University of Twente. We're going to move on to Chemical Science and Engineering is also the next program that is being offered at the University of Twente under the scholarship. We have Civil Engineering and Management is one program that is also offered by the University of Twente. And this again, it's a master's program. We'll look at the deadline when we get to the end. There are more than 20 programs that do qualify for this scholarship. So we're going to keep looking at them. Communication science is one of the programs that if you're interested in communication science, it's one of the programs to look out for. It's more about communication and how to do PRO work. In different programs that might be, related to communication science. So if you're interested in this, in communication studies, dealing with human communication, the behavior, the pattern of, communicating, this is one of the programs for you. We're going to keep going to another program. Computer science is another program. If you're interested in computer science, you have a bachelor's degree in computer science. This is the master's degree for you to look at. Next one, construction management and engineering. Construction management and engineering. If you're one person, you're good. I think there might be a bachelor's degree program in tech. If you're in Ghana, there's a bachelor's degree. If you're interested in having a master's in construction management, this is the program for you. But it's a program put together with engineering. So the title of the master's degree program is Construction and Management Engineering. We're going to keep going. Educational Science and Technology is also another program to look out for in this university. It's a worthwhile university. So if you have educational background and you're interested in educational science and technology, then you should look at this master's degree program in educational science and technology. Even for teachers, they can qualify for this. Electrical engineering is another program. They offer a master's degree in electrical engineering at University of 20, so you can also look out for that. Embedded systems. Embedded system is also one of the master's degree programs that they're offering at the University of 20 in Netherlands, and it's also a computer science kind of program. It's specialized computer system that it's a combination of computer processing, computer memory input. So this is like a computer science IT technology kind of course. If you're interested in it, you should apply for an embedded science um, for you to also qualify for this. Environmental and energy management is also one of the master's program they are offering at this university that falls under the scholarship. European studies is another one that you can look out for. It's also a master's degree program. Health science is also another master's degree program that anybody who has a bachelor's degree related to the master's topic can apply for. Humanitarian engineering is also another worthwhile master's degree program you can apply for at the University of 20 in Netherlands. Let's move on to industrial science, industrial design engineering. Industrial design engineering is another master's degree program if you're interested in engineering. This is one specific area you can also go into. Industrial engineering and management. So there's industrial design engineering and industrial engineering and management. Is another master's program to look out for. We have interaction technology that you can also look out for. Interaction technology. You can look out for that. I'm gonna pull it up just to read a little bit about it for you, those who might be interested in interaction technology. The program, I'm sure it's also on data science. It delves more into the field of human computer interaction and design and develop interactive technologies that are meaningful to humans and society. So it's also another degree program that is science-based or technology-based, but it's interactive because they're comparing to humans. So I think it's a more of AI kind of technology. So it's interactive technologies function as letters, singular words. They are building blocks for stories and emotions. So it's kind of machine being compared to human. So interaction technology. Let's move on to the next one. Mechanical engineering is another master's degree program to look out for at the University of 20. Nanotechnology is another one that you can look out for, and I know a lot of you know what nanotechnology is. It refers to the branch of science that in engineering devoted to designing, producing, and using structures, devices, and systems by manipulating atoms, molecules, and nanoscale. So having one or more dimension of the order. A lot of science stuff. So if you're interested in nanotechnology, I'm sure my science brothers and sisters know what this is. Philosophy of Science and Technology and Society is another master's degree program you can apply for. So nanotechnology is a master's degree you can apply for. Philosophy of Science and Technology and Society is one way to also go if you want a master's degree program and you're art-based. Philosophy is the way to go. We have psychology. Psychology, everybody know the study of the mind and behavior and why people act the way they do. So the psychology is another way to look at it. If you're interested in a master's degree program and people, the psychology in, I think, University of Cape Coast, University of Ghana, and University of Science and Technology also offers psychology. So if you're interested in a master's degree program in psychology, here's one way to go. Master's degree in public administration is also available. They have masters in robotics. So if you're interested in robotics, there's a master's degree program at University of 20 for you. Sustainable energy technology. So if you're interested in sustainable energy technology, there's a lot of technological programs at University of 20, and I think it's a very good initiative that they are having. They're opening this up for international students to apply. So there's more than 22 or 23 different programs that qualify for this scholarship. And the number of scholarship available is 50. They have 50 scholarship, and I'll reiterate, University of 20 offers the University of 20 scholarship for excellent students from both EU, EEA countries and non-EU, EEA countries applying for master's degree program at the University of 20 in Netherlands. So it's 50, the number of scholarship available is 50 scholarships. The target group is international students, even though they also cater for domestic students in the Netherlands. But if you're interested, and you qualify as an international student or even a domestic student, you can still apply for it. We listed all the courses you can apply for. The scholarship value is from 3,000, so you can get partial scholarship to 22,000, which is the full scholarship for 1 year students. And then they have available for those offering 2-year degree programs. They also have that available for you. So the scholarship value ranges from 3,000 to 22,000 for 1 year students. For 2-year study program, students can receive an additional amount equal to what the first year has or provided, as long as you meet the progress requirements, which is keeping a good and accurate grade that qualifies for a renewal after the first year. Eligibility criteria to qualify for a University of 20 scholarship is you have to be admitted to one of the qualifying master's degree programs we just went through. So make sure that you have applied to the university directly for a specific program. When you get an admissions letter, then you can apply, then you can be automatically considered for the scholarship. So I'll provide the link in the chat. If your particular program qualifies for additional application, then you go ahead and do that. But you first have to apply for the different the program that you want to have. You should have a student number. So when you apply, you would have a student, and you get an offer letter. You have a student number, not have graduated from the University of 20 graduate program ever. So this is for new students only. Comply the conditions to obtain an entry visa to Netherlands, and that's after you have been awarded the scholarship, and you do qualify for a visa. Comply with the general English language requirements. So this has an English language requirement of an IELTS, and they also have a TOEFL. If you have a TOEFL or an IELT, and you should have like a 6.5 IELT qualification, or a TOEFL of 6.0 to qualify. You should not be eligible for a Dutch study loan. You should not be eligible for a Dutch study loan or to qualify for this, and demonstrate academic excellence, typically belonging to the best 5 to 10% of the class. So you should have very good grades to apply for this kind of scholarship. So the deadline for this program is February 2025 and 1st May 2025. I should have separated that. It's fine. And then we have 1st February 2025. They have a first round in first that ends 1st February 2025. Application is already open. You can start applying. Once you have received an admission letter, you can apply for the scholarship using your student number. So that's what I said earlier on. You should apply for the school, the program first. When you get an admissions letter, then you can apply for the scholarship. They will give you a link to apply for the scholarship. But I also provide the scholarship link in the description. The second round would be May 1st, 2025, and second round would open on February 1st, 2025. So you can see that they have a lot of scholarships open. So you should look at this 50, they're actually considering 50 people to give the scholarship to. For detailed information and to start application process, please don't forget to peruse the school's website for your courses and also the university scholarship page that will be provided in the description. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel, like, share, and give us a comment on if you need any other scholarships. Um, if you need support in tailored support with scholarships, send us an email or we will provide the link in the chat for you to go through the requirements and conditions with you for you to be successful at your scholarship. Thank you for subscribing and thank you for listening. We hope to come to you again with scholarship updates from the Kluge Foundation. Um, and don't forget, if you want to be a panel on any of our programs, sign up, or you can just send us an email at klugefoundation@gmail.com. Thanks for listening. Have a great week. Bye.